Watch out now, watch out now. Howdy, hey guys, welcome back. We got another video, man. Before I get started in this video, man, make sure y'all go ahead and like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, because y'all watching the videos. Well, y'all been slowing down watching videos, but hopefully y'all catch back up. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. All my social media accounts will be linked in the description below. That's about all. It's gonna be a simple video. It won't be long. It shouldn't be too long. What I have here is the Icon 43-inch professional creeper. Has 6-inch all-terrain casters, and these are some of the specs. Its dimensions is supposed to be 43 inches wide, long, and 21 inches wide. The weight of it is supposed to be 38.4 pounds. So I have this Icon creeper here. As you can see, that big old 400-pound capacity. I bought this because I'm a biggin. So because I'm a biggin, I need me a creeper that's gonna hold me and carry me. I'm not quite that number there, but I'm running up to it. I'm running uphill to it. So we're gonna do a little quick unboxing and review on this creeper real quick. Hopefully this will help determine if you decide on purchasing this product. I think the time that I purchased this product, I've had it a couple of months now. I purchased this product during Christmas time, and I think they had a deal on it where you could get it for $120. So I got it for that. So that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the unboxing, man. I'll be right back. Bam! All right, for the intro, I kind of had it sitting up at an angle so it'll look a little better for you. But since this unboxing, we're just gonna lay it flat and we're gonna cut this bad boy open. Got some heavy duty staples in it. Should have opened it the other way. All right, guys, so I think I opened it upside down, but it's all right. Oh, I'm about to tear it up before I even do it. So as you can see, it comes with the casters. The body of the unit seems to already be prepared, and the only thing it looks like we have to do is install the casters, and that's amazing. So that's basically how it'll look in the packaging. And let me get me a picture for my thumbnail. All right, so guys, this is what it looks like outside of the box. Seems like everything is already put together. Everything is strong, and it seems to be heavy duty. Looking at these casters, if you can see my hand, these are some decent sized casters. I don't have my tape measure. I would have measured it, but as we remember on the box said they were 6 inches. So that seems to be great and heavy duty. We have a pretty decent sized caster, so I mean, we should be able to roll even on grass and dirt, and I think that was the whole point of it. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the body. So as we can see, it's one piece. It seems like it's reinforced on the back around the edges. Hopefully this holds me. I'll show you that little sticker there. All right, and it's supposed to be 43 inches long, so that should be perfect. So the next step, we'll go ahead and set it up and get all the casters installed, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I got my impact and I got a socket. It's gonna be a 19mm socket. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the casters out of the styrofoam, and then we're gonna place the styrofoam under the body so that we can get enough lift under it, and we'll go ahead and install these casters. It's gonna be simple, fast, and easy. So we pull them out, lift it up, put the styrofoam up under it, just to give us a little bit of lift. Unscrew these casters. Remove your nut and your lock washer, place it on top. Grab your impact. Oh, might have to get me a wrench. I'll get me a wrench to tighten it up, but you see the picture. So what you're gonna have to do is get you a wrench to hold the bottom, and then you tighten it at the top. So for the sake of the video, I'll go ahead and install them all, and then I grab my wrench later and tighten them up. So you wanna put your caster on, take your lock washer, put on top, then get your nut, thread your nut on top of that. Let's do the same thing to this side. Let's remove our nut and our washer. Do the same to the other side. Remove the nut, remove the washer. And I'm gonna go grab a wrench and I'll be right back. Bam! All right, guys, I went and grabbed an adjustable wrench. It was quick, fast. So we can go ahead and tighten all of this down. All right, guys, the caster's on. All right, man, I thank y'all for watching the video, man. I thank y'all for tuning into the videos, man. And as you can see, we already went through the unboxing. We went through the introduction, told you what we had. I demonstrated how to use it, how it performs, and it seems like it will hold up to our standards. From the looks of it, as you saw in the clip, it's able to run through grass. I believe it'll run through gravel just the same. Now, it does take a little bit more effort to roll around in the grass than on the concrete, but it's okay. It's manageable. So it's something that can be done, and I guess that's the purpose of why they built it like that with those big casters. But with that being said, man, I thank you guys for watching our videos. I thank you for tuning into our channel, man. I ask that you go ahead and always subscribe to our channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you go in the description and look at all of my affiliated social media accounts and other things, man. Thank you guys again. Y'all be blessed. And guess what? Peace.